Hi friends, welcome to SSC Electrical. In this video, I am going to discuss about SSC JEE 2021 expected notification date. You can see here. If you are first time watching our video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload a new video. See here. And you can see here, previously released a notification for SSC JEE and for SSC JEE 2020, 2019, 2018. Okay, at what times the notification has been released in the year, you can check here. For SSC JEE 2020, the notification released on October 1. Okay, 1 month time limit given and for applying for this exam. And for SSC JEE 2019, notification released in 13 August 2019. And for SSC JEE 2018, released on February 1, 2019. Okay, so especially for SSC JEE 2018, it got delayed. Okay, due to some reasons, the exam delayed and that have conducted in next year, that is on 2019. Okay, so this is regarding previous year notifications regarding SSC JEE. And for this year, what happens, you can see for SSC JEE 2021, the notification will be released on October 21. Okay, so if you see SSC JEE 2020 paper 1 conducted, SSC JEE 2020 paper 1 conducted, still result is pending. Okay, SSC JEE 2020 paper 1 conducted, still result is pending, and still paper 2 also pending. So after completion of paper 2, they will release the notification. So there is enough time for this. So mostly the notification will come on October 2021. Okay, they will give you 1 month time limit for applying for this exam, and after 4 to 5 months exam will be conducted. That is the expected exam date. You can see here, exam date is Feb 2022 or March 2022. So examination will be conducted during this period mostly. Okay, so after releasing the notification, everyone will be prepared. Okay, after releasing the notification, everyone will be aware of that exam and they will start their preparation. Okay, if you start your preparation now onwards, okay, if you start your preparation now onwards, so as early as possible, if you cover the syllabus, you will get a good score compared to others. Okay, so there is enough time for this releasing the notification, and they will give you enough time and you can prepare for this exam. Okay, so as there is every year notification for this exam, and you can rely for this exam and you can prepare well for this. Compared to GATE and IAS exams, the SSC JEE exam is easy. Okay, and for preparing for this, you need to have the syllabus. Okay, what is the syllabus for SSC JEE? You need to know that. Okay, if you know the syllabus, and based on the syllabus you can start your preparation. And here I am explaining you the SSC electrical syllabus. Okay, for electrical engineering syllabus for SSC JEE I am discussing here, and this will be useful for you. And you need to have the syllabus before start your preparation. Okay, you need to have the syllabus, and sectional weightage also needed. Okay, for electrical I am providing here. You can see for electrical engineering syllabus, you can see for basic concepts 10 to 13 marks, and for circuit law 2 to 3 marks. Okay, previously also I explained, but just for revision for SSC JEE 2021, I am again making a video regarding syllabus. You can see for basic concepts, you can see the weightage is 10 to 13 marks weightage is there. The concepts are concept of resistance, inductance, capacitance, and various factors affecting them. Concepts of current, voltage, power, energy, and their units. Okay, circuit law 2 to 3 marks weightage is there. For magnetic circuit 8 to 9 marks weightage is there, and for AC fundamental 7 to 8 marks weightage. And you can see the topics: instantaneous, peak, RMS, and average value of alternating waves. And remaining topic also you can see what is the weightage for each topic. Measurement and measuring instrument 10 to 15 mark weightage is there. Okay, measurement and measuring instrument 10 to 15 marks. So before start your preparation, if you know the sectional weightage and the topics need to be covered, and you will get a good score in this. Okay, so as there is enough time for preparing for this exam, and you can get this syllabus and prepare accordingly. Okay, so for electrical machines 16 to 21 marks, and for synchronous machines 4 to 6 marks weightage is there. And you can see the topics: generation of 3-phase EMF, armature reaction, voltage regulation, parallel operation of 2 alternators, and you can check the topics. Okay, for generation, transmission, distribution 12 to 15 marks weightage is there. And topics covered, you can see different types of power stations, load factors, diversity factor, demand factor, and cost of generation, interconnection of power stations, power factor improvement. So different topics you can see. And estimation and costing 6 to 8 marks weightage is there. Estimation of costing 6 to 8 marks weightage is there. For utilization of electrical energy, 5 to 7 marks weightage. For basic electronics, 7 to 10 marks weightage is there. Okay, these topics you can see. Working of various electronic devices, PN junction diodes, transistors, BJT, JFET simple circuit using these devices. Okay, this link also I will give in the description. Okay, you can get the syllabus PDF. This link I will give in the description, and you can download this PDF and you can take the printout of this and stick to your wall in your room, and you can start your preparation for this exam. As there is enough time for this exam, if you start your preparation now onwards, it will be easy for cracking this exam. Okay, and you can see here the notification mostly released on October 2021, so that you can prepare accordingly. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and please like this video and share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications. Thank you.